What it do? This your boy D-Boy the Beast coming at you with another one. I got this for y'all today right here. I'm gonna change my my door speakers out and put 4 tweeters in there. But let me show y'all what it's looking like. Skar audio. Got the little sticker. They got the name of it right there if y'all want to see what it is. But, you know, that's that. Boom! Y'all see it? 4-ohm speaker. Yup. And this the kit right here. This the kit I got. Door speaker brackets. See the number. See the number. But yeah, on the door speaker bracket, and I got the Hornets too. The Hornets. I got some tweeters somewhere. Don't know where they at. Hey, back at you, back at ya. Hey, I got that factory speaker out. Look at it, piece of shit, man. It ain't nothing but junk. Y'all hear that? Piece of junk. The factory right here. Got the Skar audio 6.5. And this the adapter right here. So it go like this. Sit on there. They go on there like that. Just mount it up. Put the one bolt up in there. Then it's the wire harness. Clip on the back of it. Y'all know how this stuff works, man. I gotta explain it. But yo, hey, let me put this back in YouTube and I'm gonna get at you. Hey, when y'all put these brackets in, make sure y'all put some sealing tape behind there. You don't want no air getting off of it in there. Put some sealing tape behind it. You see mine, then you got this one screw to mount that bracket up. You know, you drill you some new holes for your speakers to put in. That's what I'm about to do now. But I'll get back at you. Started raining on me, YouTube. You see I got the little umbrella mounted up. I ain't playing. Got that thing mounted up in there. Rain slowing me down. Go YouTube, I got the back end. Skar. Hey, it's real easy to put in, man. Knock it out. Put your bracket in, or use your old bracket from the old speakers. You know. Let me do the other side and get you back on. Yeah, what up, my people? Yo, did the same video, man. When I was installing my door speakers, I was getting all the rain. Y'all seen I had the umbrella popped up, but this a couple of days later, man. I'm finally done with all this stuff. I'm done. Thank you. But I'm gonna give y'all a little tour, man, of the speakers. I hate I couldn't do it how I wanted to do it, but got some tweeters up. I don't got an amp. Got some door speakers. It ain't amped up. So I got to install an amp, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna get somebody else to do it. So I'm gonna give y'all a little tour, man. How it sound and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna bounce up out of here. Yeah, I got this stuff mounted up, man. I hate I couldn't show y'all, but I didn't record it. But if y'all want to know what type of speakers it is, it's still in the same video. Just go back and look at it, you know. Then you know I got my wires ran for my speakers too, my subs, all through here. Now I ain't gonna show y'all everything because they got thieves around here, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to swap that out too, man. I'm about to get me a Pioneer. But I like that one too though, but I need some more watts, you know what I'm saying? There ain't enough watts for me. Not bad. Get that out the way. Dirty clothes, get that out the way. They go the subs I had in the last video. If y'all want to know what type of sub these is, go back and look at the last video. And this right here, the box, man. I ordered this online for like $220 something online. But I got all this in another video, man, if y'all want to see what that is. I'm lacking, man, on some watts right there, so I'm about to upgrade that amp. Maybe I'll get a little more out of these speakers. Y'all see the gauges, man. 4 gauge. I gotta fix all that up. Gotta just wire it everywhere. I'm finna fix all that up so it can look good. It's my baby right here. Nobody tell me nothing. Now, I'm gonna take these seats out, man. It got a bracket in the back, so I'm finna take these seats out and grind that bracket down a little bit so I can lift it up and raise my seat down so I can mount this amp. But you know, look at that. I don't got it tuned. Yeah, everything's still level. Ain't nothing tuned. And I don't know how to do that, so I'm taking that to the man too. So I need to get some power out this stuff, man. I know it's hidden. It's hidden now, but I know it got a little more power to it. This one on amp too, and I'm getting something bigger. I got everything ran YouTube. And for the ones that got GMC, Chevrolet trucks, man, it got a little hole up and move this out the way. It's a little hole through here. You will see it. You can't miss it. And you can run your power wire through there, then route it to the back, man. It's easy. Then you can just run the rest of your wire. See, I gotta hide that. The tweeter wire, I'm taking all that down, getting that replaced. That's just temporary. Got the tweeters right there. I got 4 of them. See, that's hanging. Retarded speaker, tweeter. I got 4 right now, but all they getting redid, man. I'm going with some more speakers. They was just temporary. Something for me to bump right now. I know y'all hungry. I know you're hungry. Look at them things, wait. Look at them things, wait. But yeah, YouTube. Let me pop the hood, man. Show y'all what hole I'm talking about. This temporary too. I gotta move this from this battery right here. I don't know what I was thinking when I did that, but I'm finna move all this, man. Finna mount it somewhere up in here. Somewhere. I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. But yeah, the little hole I'm talking about, YouTube. You probably can't see it, but hold on. It's right down up in there. It won't focus on, but you kind of get the idea where it's routed at. There's a little hole right there, big enough for it to go in. Now if you go with the 0 gauge or something like that, I don't know. 0 gauge might work. Yeah, that's my baby right here, boy. I can't live without it. But yeah, YouTube, I'm gonna let y'all listen to it, man. And I'm gonna get up out of here, YouTube. All right, here you go, YouTube. Here you go, my people.